that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real, because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you made it through the fire, it's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. Like a priceless work of art, a patina that will never fade away. You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what brought you here today, and you would never ever trade those ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. You're growing older and more beautiful each day.
Happy birthday, Mama. Always stay healthy and safe. Always, may God bless you and protect you in everything that you do. I love you.
Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kapitana! We love you! Love Maclear family!
Hello, hello! Happy birthday, Rose! Ang wish ko lang sa ating Panginoon Diyos ay habaan pa ang iyong buhay at maipagdiwang ang iyong karawan ng maraming panahon. Kapiling ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Enjoy lang at celebrate your birthday with a bang. I hope I'll see you some other time. Happy birthday again. Sana'y maging maligaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. Kahit na mahabang panahon di tayo nagkikita, kahit pa lamang dito sa video ay makita mo sa isang kaobit mo na hindi nakakalimot. At huwag kalilimutan na magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon dahil tinugtungan pa niya ang iyong buhay. At pagpasensyahan mo na yung kaunting regalo ko na ibibigay sa iyo ni Mercy. Kaya sana'y maging maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan.
Hi sis, happy birthday sa iyo. Welcome to the club. Senior ka na ngayon. Siguro very busy ka. Ano ba ang buhay ng isang kapitana? Asawa ng isang kapitan. Hinay-hinay lang yung katawan mo, ingatan mo, sarili mo. Yung welcome to the club ka na, senior ka na. Ingatan mo na. Mahirap magkasakit, di ba? Tingnan mo ako. Sobrang sipag ko. Wala tayong magagawa. Talaga yun eh. Lahat naman yan. Kaya binigay ni Lord, kaya natin yan. Di ba? Naway maligaya ka sa iyong karawan. Na-surprise ka, no? Hindi mo alam na may party ka. Happy birthday sa iyo, sis. I love you. Naway dumami pa ang birthday mo. Maba pa ang buhay mo para makarating ka sa Amerika. Diba, nakarating tayo na Singapore. Ngayon, sa Amerika ka naman pupunta. Pasyal ka doon sa anak mo. Para at least marami tayong narating. Diba? Okay, hanggang dito na lang. I miss you. See you soon. Siguro by December, malakas na ako. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Happy birthday ulit. Maging maligaya ka ngayong araw mo. Araw mo ngayon. Happy ka. Bye-bye. Love you, sis.
Word!